How to send a wire transfer using the US Bank app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. So in this video, I'll simply show you how you can make a wire transfer using the US Bank app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To transfer funds from US Bank app to another bank, what you need to do is first of all, just open the US Bank app. Then you want to click on where it says Pay Bills and Transfer, which will generally be at the bottom left. And then once you click on that option, you will find the option called External Transfers, right? So you just want to make sure to click on the External Transfers button. Then once you click on the option called External Transfers, over here you'll be able to see what would you like to do today. So move money, send a wire transfer, right? So you just want to make sure to select the option called Send a Wire Transfer. As you do that, what account would you like to send the money from? So select your account right over here. And then you've got options, but for this example, I'll just choose the checking account. Now what you need to do is you have to select the Save button, and then you have to enter the recipient details. So first of all, just view the dollar limit over here. Make sure to enter the amount of dollars that you want to send, and then once you enter the amount that you want to send over here, just click on continue button. Now it'll take you to actually go ahead and choose a recipient. So I'll just send it to a one-time recipient. I'll just select their name as well as their street address, their zip code, and many other details as well. Once I enter all the details, I'll just click on the option called continue. And once I click on continue, you have to complete the transfer. You'll need to have the recipient's bank account's routing number, right? So just make sure to enter the account number, and then again re-enter the account number, enter the bank name, and then just click on the continue option. Once you've done that, it'll ask you, does this look right? So just select an option over here, when do you want to send this money, and as you do that, agree to the terms and conditions, and all you have to do is just click on the submit button to proceed. Make sure to confirm the transaction using the 6-digit code to your mobile device, and then just hit the continue button over here. And as soon as you do that, your wire transfer will be successfully completed. That's all it takes to make a wire transfer on the US Bank app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.